Bowden Cave entrance. It's still closed. I can see in here like it's daylight through this thing. There's no difference. It's just a bit fuzzy because of the noise. It's almost like having a little bit of night vision. Oh, now it's getting dark. This is the Bowden Crawl entrance. Shine your light in there. 600 feet is in there.
I'm gonna go if I could.
Go in there.
Here's the key in case you want to rescue me. I'll go into the big room. I'll come back.
It is muddy. You're gonna get a mess. You're gonna look like a mess.
I'll turn back if it gets muddy. I have an extra light.
It is muddy in there.
Muddy's dry.
You'll see. I can see you. Oh, you disappeared. Shine your light this way.
Yes,
Oh, that looks neat. Well, bye.